रजत मैम को भी
नाम हटेगी ना सब हट जाएंगे।
Ladies and gentlemen, what you have just heard was the fanfare heralding the arrival of the chief guest for the cutting ceremony. Ladies and gentlemen, the reviewing officer, Lieutenant General R.P. Singh, Param Vishisht Seva Medal, Ati Vishisht Seva Medal, Vishisht Seva Medal, General Officer Commanding in Chief, Western Command has arrived.
देवियों और सज्जनों, निरीक्षण अधिकारी लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल आरपी सिंह, परम विशिष्ट सेवा मेडल, अति विशिष्ट सेवा मेडल, विशिष्ट सेवा मेडल, जनरल ऑफिसर कमांडिंग इन चीफ पश्चिमी कमान पधार चुके हैं।
Ladies and gentlemen, we are a few moments away from witnessing a historic event in the life of the gentlemen cadets. You are presently seated in the North Campus of Indian Military Academy facing due south. The greens you see in front are the famed Nizam Pavilion, constructed in the year 1940. It has been named after Asaf Jan Nizam ul Mulk, the former ruler of worldwide princely state of Hyderabad. The pavilion was intended to provide dressing, changing and refreshment for the sports teams in Indian Military Academy. These green fields have witnessed and are testimony to several sporting events and have provided physical strengthening of the gentlemen cadets. Across the pavilion, beyond the boundary wall, is the National Highway 72, which will take you to the picturesque hill station of Chandrata. The pavilion is planned on its right side by another multi-storied state-of-the-art facility, the Hoshiar Singh Gymnasium. It was inaugurated on 9 February 2009 and is named after Major Hoshiar Singh, Paramveer Chakra. It is a multi-facility sporting complex cum gymnasium which also witnesses all the final sporting events of the academy. Behind you is the maroon-colored building, the indoor swimming pool, the plunge bath. If you look to your left, you will see the living accommodation of gentlemen cadets, a group of beautiful white buildings with closed lawns. They combine the essence of barracks and permanence and privacy of a hostel building. They are known as the Kingsley and Collins blocks, named after the first and second commandant of Indian Military Academy. You are presently seated in one of the 16 physical training sheds utilized for the all-round physical toughening of the gentlemen cadets. Ladies and gentlemen, as you are all aware, this solemn occasion was held in Somnath Stadium in the near past, with parents, family and friends participating in the momentous metamorphosis of these budding gentlemen cadets into complete officers. However, in the present circumstances, this fire ceremony has now been reverted back to the hallowed quarters of the Nizam Pavilion, befitting the grandeur of the event. Ladies and gentlemen, I now request Lieutenant General Harinder Singh, Param Vishisht Seva Medal, Ati Vishisht Seva Medal, Youth Seva Medal, Sena Medal, Vishisht Seva Medal, Commandant, Indian Military Academy, to address the gathering and the gentlemen cadets who have just passed out from the academy and announce the commencement of the pipping ceremony.
The reviewing officer, Lieutenant General R.P. Singh, Param Vishisht Seva Medal, Ati Vishisht Seva Medal, Vishisht Seva Medal, GOC&C Western Command, ladies and gentlemen. We are all here today to witness a memorable moment in the lives of these young gentlemen standing with pride in the sprawling lawns right across you. Just a few seconds from now, these young gentlemen will realize their cherished dream to which they have held on resolutely and committed themselves. Their pride, their joy and anticipation is evident, and so is ours, who have shared their effort and dream. Soon, these promising young men will become officers of the formidable Indian Army, and the gentlemen from the friendly foreign countries will join their respective armies as they take their first step into the folds of the military fraternity, ready to shoulder their responsibilities as guardians of the nation and serve the country with absolute sense of duty and pride. We too, who have been associated with these gentlemen, are filled with immense satisfaction to witness this glorious moment for which we have worked closely together. As these gentlemen cadets, after the pipping ceremony, they take their first step. Well, as I always tell you, that you will be more than lieutenants. You would be leaders and not just lieutenants. So on behalf of the reviewing officer, General R.P. Singh, PVSM, AVSM, VSM, GOC&C, Western Command, and all the ladies and gentlemen present here, I extend my heartiest congratulations to the newly commissioned officers. The pipping ceremony may commence now. Jai Hind.
Ladies and gentlemen, you are requested to adjust your face mask properly and sanitize your hands by using the sanitizer placed near you before the pipping ceremony starts. Ladies and gentlemen, you will now witness the singular honor for the gentlemen cadets, wherein they will now be pipped by their battalion, company and platoon commanders and their wives. This is another historic moment in the history of Indian Military Academy, as the Gurus who have ensured flawless transition of their Shishya into complete officers now have the reciprocal honor of welcoming them into the olive green officer fraternity. Because of the ongoing pandemic, the parents of the newly commissioned officers could not be present here physically. However, the entire ceremony is being live streamed to enable the near and dear ones to see their hard work fructify, justifying the word of Kabir, who answered the eternal dilemma of the Shishya.
गुरु गोविंद दौं खड़े काके लागू पाए, बलिहारी गुरु आपने गोविंद दियो बताए।
हाँ सेवा करें। कट।
कैसे समझे?
All the officers are requested to go. Move back, please. All the commission officers are requested to move back to the respective places, please, along with the passing out course. All the gentlemen cadets from the passing out course are requested to move back to their respective places, please. All the newly commissioned officers are requested to please move back to the places, please.
Okay, gentlemen, I'll request all the IMA officers to please fall back. I'll request all the IMA officers to please fall back. Okay, gentlemen. Young officers and gentlemen, please be at your respective places. Thank you. All the gentlemen, be at your respective places. Thank you. IMA officers and ladies, I request you to please fall back. Gentlemen, this is the last call. All these officers, this is the last call.
आपके पास में है ना? आपके पास में है?
We now bid adieu to the gentlemen cadets of 148 regular and 131 technical graduate courses and welcome the young officers into the folds of the olive green fraternity.
अभी तो इस बाज की असली उड़ान बाकी है, अभी तो इस परिंदे का इम्तिहान बाकी है, अभी अभी तो मैंने लांघा है समंदर को, अभी तो पूरा आसमां बाकी है.
The newly commissioned officers are now formed up to take the oath. In a short while from now, you will see the Samman Toli come up. The Samman Toli comprises of instructors and other ranks led by Subedar Major Drill. After the newly commissioned officers take the oath, they will receive their first salute from the Samman Toli. It is indeed a matter of pride for the instructors to train these newly commissioned officers to give them the first salute. Ladies and gentlemen, the national flag will now be brought on parade. When the newly commissioned officers salute the national flag, you are requested to please stand at attention. Those in uniform will salute.
देवियों और सज्जनों, राष्ट्रीय ध्वज अब परेड पर लाया जाएगा. जब युवा सैन्य अधिकारी राष्ट्रीय ध्वज को सैल्यूट दें तो कृपया खड़े हो जाएं एवं वर्दीधारी सैल्यूट करें।
Ladies and gentlemen, Lieutenant Colonel Raman Gakhar, Sena Medal, Adjutant, Indian Military Academy, will now administer the oath to the newly commissioned officers.
Gentlemen, repeat after me. I hereby solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will, as in duty bound, honestly and faithfully serve in the regular army of the Union of India and go wherever ordered by land, sea or air, and that I'll observe and obey all commands of the President of the Union of India and the commands of any officer set over me, even to the peril of my life. Jai Hind.
Ladies and gentlemen, the national flag will now be taken away from the ceremony. When the newly commissioned officers salute the national flag, you are requested to stand at attention. Those in uniform will salute.
देवियों और सज्जनों, राष्ट्रीय ध्वज अब परेड से बाहर ले जाया जाएगा। जब युवा सैन्य अधिकारी राष्ट्रीय ध्वज को सैल्यूट दें तो कृपया खड़े हो जाएं एवं वर्दीधारी सैल्यूट करें।
The Samman Toli will now salute the newly commissioned officers who will in turn return the salute. Ladies and gentlemen, you are requested to please rise and join the newly commissioned officers in singing the army song followed by the national anthem.
युवा सैन्य अधिकारी जिन्होंने कुछ ही क्षण पूर्व देश की सुरक्षा एवं अखंडता कायम रखने की शपथ ली है, अब भारतीय सेना में अधिकारियों के रूप में पहला कदम के लिए संकल्पबद्ध है।
The novel concept of Pehla Kadam, an initiative of the Chief of Army Staff, was introduced in the spring term 2020. Immediately in front of you, or to the left and right, are the stepping stones with the words Pehla Kadam etched on them. The young officers on parade today stand tall and proud, with stars in their eyes, as bright as the ones on their shoulders, as they march to the tune of Tagat Adan Ki Humse Hai. They look forward to a new life and a new beginning, for a journey that will take them towards honor, pride and sacrifice. We will start that journey today with the first step, the Pehla Kadam. If you look to your left and right, you will see the gentlemen cadets of the second term standing along the steps to salute the newly commissioned officers as a mark of honor and respect to their seniors. As the newly commissioned officers step across the Pehla Kadam, they will forever remember that day they took an oath to serve the nation, to lead their men, and to forever stay true to the uniform they wear. This first step will lead them towards their destiny.
न हारे हैं न हारेंगे कभी, ये किसी और से नहीं खुद से वादा किया है। अभी ना पूछो हमसे कि मंजिल कहाँ है, अब तो हमने चलने का इरादा किया है।
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the Commandant, Indian Military Academy, I request you all to please proceed for tea.
आपसे अनुरोध है, कृपया जलपान हेतु प्रस्थान करें। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद।
हाँ भाई मेरे को आवाज़ आ रही है। Congratulations, Abhishek, on your very special day. You have trained very hard to finally reach at this point. I wish you all the very best for all your future endeavors. We are already blood brothers, but today you have joined the profession of arms, and so now we have become brothers at arms. Congratulations once more.
Hello Abhishek, lots and lots of congratulations beta. It is indeed a proud moment for all of us that you have successfully completed your training today. It is indeed a marvelous achievement. Lots of congratulations to you and your batchmates. Good luck.
अभिषेक बेटा कैसे हो? आज आपको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं, बधाइयाँ मेरी ओर से और सभी मित्रों की ओर से। तुम सभी साथियों को भी बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। आज हमें बहुत गर्व हो रहा है कि तुम भारतीय सेना में एक ऑफिसर बन गए हो, और मेरी ईश्वर से प्रार्थना है कि आप आगे बहुत ही ईमानदारी मेहनत से आगे बढ़ें।
थैंक यू मॉम, थैंक यू डैड, थैंक्स फॉर ऑल द बेस्ट विशेस। मैं बहुत खुश हूँ आज, और ये सब आप लोगों के सपोर्ट के ना बिल्कुल नहीं हो सकता था। आप लोगों ने मुझे बचपन से सपोर्ट किया, अच्छे स्कूलों में डाला, एंड दैट्स वाई योर स्ट्रगल इज़ द मेन रीज़न वाई आई एम वेयर आई एम। एंड थैंक्स अ लॉट टू माई ब्रदर ऑल्सो, थैंक्स अ लॉट टू यू ब्रो। You have supported me, you have shown me the avenue, how to approach to it. You have shown me how to approach towards the goal, and today I am successful, and you are my role model, bro. Thank you, and I'm really excited.
Hello Vinayak, congratulations. You have done it, you have made it. We all are proud of you. Do well in life. You are doing exceptionally well. Do well in the air as well as on the ground. Jai Hind.
हाय विनायक, आज की पासिंग आउट के लिए बहुत बहुत बधाई, और आज का दिन हमें देखने को मिला तुम्हारे कारण, उसके लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। ऐसे ही अच्छा करो, ईमानदारी और मेहनत से आगे बढ़ो और बहुत कुछ अचीव करो। गुड लक।
Thank you mummy and thank you papa, and thanks to my sister who's probably recording the video. It's a proud moment for all of us today because I'm being commissioned today, and in next 3 days my father will be completing his 30 years of service, and I'm going to be the 7th officer in last 3 decades of my family. I hope I do well and make my parents and the country proud.
My son Saurabh Auti is going to pass out from Indian Military Academy and will join 168 RT Regiment. From my village Radhagan Sindhi, Saurabh is the first military officer. Congratulations, my son, on your commission as a lieutenant. It is time for you to serve our nation. I believe you will be a great officer. Good luck and give your best. We all are very proud of you.
Congratulations, Saurabh. Feeling so proud of you. I am very happy for your success. Be brave, and my good wishes are always with you.
Mama, Papa, thanks a lot. I've always been waiting for this day when I'm commissioned as a lieutenant in the Indian Army. It has always been my endeavor to make you proud, and just wait and watch. I will do good in my career. Sejal, I know you are behind the camera. Thanks to you. This conference has made me feel, I just can't explain how I'm feeling right now. It feels like happiness is exploding out of my heart. Thanks a lot, and I'll do my best in my career ahead. Thanks a lot, Mom and Dad. Thanks a lot.
Son, we are very proud of you. You have made us a very proud parent. As a child, it was your dream to join Army, and you have fulfilled it. Hope you do all the best in life. All the best to you and all the gentlemen cadets. Love you.
Son, we are proud of you. You are joining the most prestigious army in the world, in which your forefathers have served for more than 9 decades. You will be giving services to the great nation, and you will do well. A word of advice, son. You are officer and gentleman. Always be humble. Look after the troops which you command, and I am sure you will earn respect of everyone in the organization. We wish we could have come and attended your POP and picked you. But we can understand the organizational constraint and the difficult time the nation is going through. Son, there will be many more occasions where we'll be picking you. All the best, and all the best to your colleagues and your instructors. Always remember your gurus.
Thank you, Mom, Dad. It has always been my dream to follow the same footsteps as my father and my forefather. Being a fourth generation officer, it has been a great pleasure to pass through the same hallowed portals of IMA that you have been through. And the training over here has made me a better man in the steps of my father and my great-grandfather. Of course, I do miss you and I wish you were here as well. But the DS have pepped us and they have made us felt as if they are our own family. Finally, I have taken a step into the officer community of the Indian Army, and I wish that I can continue the family legacy with the same zeal and enthusiasm through which you and grandfather had carried it on. Thank you. Riran?
सबको नमस्कार। मैं नौरेम बबलू सिंह, फादर ऑफ नौरेम ललित कुमार सिंह, ये इनकी मामी नौरेम रुमिला देवी। हम मणिपुर के एक गांव कक्सिंग का रहने वाला हूँ। अभी मेरा बेटा IMA में 1 साल का ट्रेनिंग ख़त्म होके कमीशन मिल रही, तो हम इसमें हम बहुत खुश हूँ, इसलिए हम बहुत खुश हैं। मेरा बेटा बचपन से आर्मी में जाने का शौक़ था। लोग गांव में अभी तक उसका नाम निकनेम है कमांडो बोल के बुलाते हैं लोग प्यार से। मेरा बेटा 7 क्लास तक बचपन में गांव पे पढ़ाई की, फिर 8 क्लास से राष्ट्रीय इंडियन मिलिट्री कॉलेज देहरादून में 12 तक पढ़ाई की, फिर NDA में चला गया, फिर IMA जाके अभी IMA में ट्रेनिंग कंप्लीट हो रही, इसमें हम बहुत खुश हैं। मेरा बेटा ड्यूटी में जाने के बाद वो लोग अपना अच्छी तरह देश का सेवा करेगा, लोगों का सेवा करेगा, और उसके बाद हम धन्यवाद कहना चाहता हूँ कि उसके स्कूल का टीचर, सारे स्टाफ्स, RMC का सारे स्कूल टीचर्स, स्टाफ्स और NDA का सारे स्टाफ और मोस्टली अभी IMA का सारे स्टाफ लोगों को धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूँ और नमस्ते।
बहुत बधाई हो लेफ्टिनेंट यजुर चहल और उसके सभी साथियों को जो आज ये गौरव हासिल करने जा रहे हैं।
बधाई हो यजुर, जो तूने आज अपने सपने को साकार किया और ऐसे बेटे को पाके मैं धन्य हो गई। धन्यवाद बेटा।
यजुर ने शुरू से ही हर काम में मेहनत, लगन और जुनून दिखाया है और उसको एक्सीलेंस से कम कभी भी कुछ भी पसंद नहीं रहा, और यही एक राज है उसकी सफलता का कि आज उसने अपने आप को एक्सीलेंट साबित कर दिया। धन्यवाद बेटा, ऐसा बेटा पाके हम बहुत खुश हैं और गौरवान्वित महसूस कर रहे हैं अपने आप को, जो तुझ जैसा बेटा हमें मिला।
Hello, we are parents of Lieutenant Armandeep Singh Aujla. Today we are very happy. Our son is getting commissioned in the Indian Army. It's a dream job for him. He has worked hard and the academy has also shaped him into a nice young gentleman. We are proud of you, our son, and wish you a very bright and successful career in the Indian Army.
It's a moment of great satisfaction because Arman has achieved what he thought of. Joining Indian Army is his dream job, and अब मुझे पूरी उम्मीद है कि जिस जज्बे और जुनून के साथ अरमान ने इंडियन आर्मी ज्वाइन किया है, उसी जज्बे और जुनून के साथ अब वो इंडियन आर्मी में सर्व भी करेगा। My blessings are with all his fellow officers. Good luck Arman, all the best.
बेटा, आप पे हमें बहुत गर्व है। आपने अपना मुकाम हासिल किया है, अपने गांव, अपने जिले, अपने राज्य का नाम रोशन किया है। आप जिस सैन्य टुकड़ी में चयनित हुए हैं वहाँ पर अपना ईमानदारी और वफादारी से काम करें। जय बद्री विशाल, जय।
बेटा, हमको आप पे बहुत गर्व है। आपने हमारा और हमारे पूरे परिवार का नाम रोशन किया। भगवान उनका लाख लाख शुक्रिया। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
हमें आज बहुत
खुशी है कि आज हमारा बेटा आर्मी में लेफ्टिनेंट बन गया है और ये बहुत ही प्राउड का मोमेंट है। मेरे दोनों बच्चे बहुत मेहनती थे और आज ये नतीजा है कि वो सेना में बतौर लेफ्टिनेंट जा रहा है। मैंने जहाँ से आर्मी को छोड़ा था, मेरा बेटे ने उससे आगे उसी रैंक से आर्मी को शुरू किया है और ये हमारे पूरे परिवार के लिए, हमारे गांव के लिए बहुत ही गर्व का विषय है कि इस छोटे से गांव का बेटा निकल करके आर्मी में जा रहा है। थैंक यू, धन्यवाद।
मेरे बेटे पे बहुत गर्व है, बहुत खुशी की बात है।
सत श्री अकाल, मैं जीसी अनमोल सैनी की मदर बोल रही हाँ। ਅੱਜ ਮੇਰਾ ਬੇਟਾ ਲੈਫਟੀਨੈਂਟ ਬਣ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ। ਉਹ NDA ਔਰ IMA ਟ੍ਰੇਨਿੰਗ ਪੂਰੀ ਕਰ ਲਈ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਮਾਣ ਮਹਿਸੂਸ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਮੇਰੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਦੇ ਹਿੱਸੇ ਦੇਸ਼ ਦੀ ਸੇਵਾ ਕਰਨ ਦਾ ਮੌਕਾ ਮਿਲਿਆ। ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਪਰਮਾਤਮਾ ਅੱਗੇ ਅਰਦਾਸ ਕਰਦੀ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਸਾਰੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਜੋ ਅੱਜ ਲੈਫਟੀਨੈਂਟ ਬਣ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਆ ਆਪਣੇ ਤਨ ਮਨ ਅਤੇ ਧਨ ਨਾਲ देश की सेवा करें। जय हिंद।
सबसे पहले आज IMA देहरादून से कमीशन लेकर के भारतीय सेना में पासिंग आउट होने वाले सभी बच्चों को हमारी तरफ से हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं और बधाई। नवीन बेटा, आप हमारे ही बेटे नहीं हो, इस पूरे देश और माँ भारती के बेटे हो। आज आपने जो भारतीय सेना में कमीशन लिया है उससे हमें बहुत गर्व हो रहा है और आज मैं एक्चुअली 56 इंच का सीना महसूस कर रहा हूँ। यू आर द ग्रेट, गॉड ब्लेस यू। हमारा आशीर्वाद आपके साथ है। गॉड शाबाश।
बेटा नवीन, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ आज, और आज मेरा सीना बहुत चौड़ा पड़ा है। मैं चाहती हूँ कि सभी बच्चों को मेरी तरफ से हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं हो और मैं खुशी तक होती तब हम वहाँ पर होते, परंतु महामारी की वजह से कोई बात नहीं, फिल्म नहीं करना। हमारा आशीर्वाद साथ में मैं सब बच्चों में बहुत आज बहुत 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 खुशी हूँ। शुभकामनाएं हो आपको सभी।
जय हिंद।